If you're considering buying GearUp Portal PTE, there are a few important things you need to know first. It's a powerful tool, but is it right for your needs? Stick around as we go through 7 key points that could make or break your decision to invest in this platform. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of whether this product truly lives up to the hype. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to consider is the user experience. GearUp Portal PTE is known for its intuitive interface, which makes it easy for even beginners to navigate. Many other similar tools can feel clunky or require a steep learning curve, but with GearUp, you can start using it effectively within hours. That's a huge win for people looking for efficiency without having to become experts in the software. Next thing you should know, its versatility. GearUp Portal PT is built to serve a wide range of industries. Whether you're in retail, real estate, or education, it offers flexible customization options that can be tailored to fit your specific needs. While other platforms may focus on a particular niche, GearUp adapts to multiple industries, making it a great choice if you're working in a dynamic environment. The third thing, pricing. GearUp Portal PTE offers a competitive pricing structure that's lower than many of its rivals, while still providing top-tier features. If you compare it with alternatives like Salesforce or Monday.com, you'll see that GearUp gives you more bang for your buck, especially when considering its free trial offer. That means you can actually test it out without any financial risk up front. In fact, the best deal for the product is available through the first link in the description, where you can access an exclusive free trial to try it yourself. Now, let's talk about customer support. A key advantage of GearUp Portal PTE is its strong customer service. Unlike other platforms where you might wait days for a response, GearUp's support team is known for quick replies and resolving issues efficiently. This is especially crucial if you're working with a time-sensitive project or need immediate help troubleshooting. The service is fast, responsive, and knowledgeable, which isn't always the case with competitors in the space. The fifth thing you need to know is its integration capabilities. GearUp seamlessly integrates with a variety of third-party tools, including Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, and various CRM platforms. If you're already using these tools, GearUp makes it easy to sync your data and streamline workflows. This level of integration isn't always guaranteed with other similar products, which can lead to frustrations when trying to connect different tools in your tech stack. The sixth point, security. GearUp takes your data security seriously, offering end-to-end encryption and multiple layers of protection. In today's digital landscape, security should be a top priority, and GearUp delivers on this front. Compared to other platforms that may only offer basic protection, GearUp's security features stand out as a strong selling point for businesses that deal with sensitive information. Lastly, scalability. GearUp Portal PTE is built to scale with your business. Whether you're a small startup or a growing enterprise, GearUp's features can grow with you. This isn't something all competitors offer. Some platforms lock you into certain features as your business expands. GearUp's flexibility ensures that it'll continue to meet your needs as you scale. If you're still on the fence, here's the takeaway. GearUp Portal PTE offers a great combination of usability, flexibility, security, and customer support, all at a competitive price. It's a solid choice for anyone looking to upgrade their business operations without breaking the bank. And remember, you can get the best offer for the product, including an exclusive free trial, by clicking the first link in the description below. If you want to try out GearUp Portal PTE, click that first link to get the best free trial and unlock some exclusive benefits. Don't miss out.